Hi, in this video I'm going to quickly introduce the DMYCO mirror dash cam. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it. So this is the box that it comes in. Over here you can see some specs on it. Okay, now I'm going to open the box. So here's the instruction manual, obviously in English. Then this is the dash cam part. So it's really cool. It looks just like a regular mirror, as you can see me in that background. But in actuality, this is all a screen, and so you're gonna see the video on there when you're looking. So here's the camera. So this one's a front-facing camera. I'll put it down so you can see the rest of the contents. Here's the plug for plugging into the car, and here's the charging cable that powers the dash cam. Over here is the backup camera right here, so that records the reverse and also works as backup camera. And this cable comes with a mounting bracket over there, and this runs all the way to the front of the car to plug into the mirror, and also connects to the rear tail light, and that tells the camera when you go into reverse, it triggers the backup camera, so you can see that. These are rubber straps that connect on the back of the mirror. So these connect in here. Connects in here to over here, and that basically straps it to the mirror and holds it nice and snug to your existing mirror. So this will just sit on top of it, so you can't even tell that you have a dash cam there. It's all like built in. It looks really nice. And then obviously it comes with a memory card, and it comes with this tool for wedging the wire in the car. Thanks for watching my unboxing. Have a great day.